Okay, I've just been for lunch at the Andalay Beach Restaurant Bar. Anyone who's interested, I'll let you know exactly where it is. So we're at the end of the beach here. So at the very end, where you see the blue trolleys, is the Sunset Resort. That's pretty much the last resort as you get entering Khao Lak, and then the Beachfront Hotel. This is Paradise Hotel, or Resort, should I say? And the Andalay Bar is just located here. They do trips and transfers and massages as well, so it's not just food. But I will say the food here is absolutely delicious. I've just had mango sticky rice, and it's the best mango sticky rice I've had in Thailand for I don't know how many years. It was absolutely delicious. Plenty of seating here. If it does rain while you're here, there's some cover at the back as well, so you can always get yourself a little bit of protection. I'll just give you an idea of the trips that they do. There we go. Southern Islands, Surin, PP, James Bond, motorbike rental for 100 baht a day, and you can organise yourself a transfer as well. So if you want a delicious meal right on the beach, and you're in this part of Khao Lak, I highly recommend the place. So I've just had a mango sticky rice, as I've just said, sweet chili Thai dish with chicken, and a strawberry milkshake for 300 baht. Whew, and I can't move. I'm going to go for a long walk now, just to go and burn it off. So yeah, highly recommend the place. So if you are passing and you want some quality food, that's the place to go. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.